Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the Gboard in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Play Store app. Now in Play Store, go to the search bar and search Gboard. And now after searching, tap on this Gboard, the Google Keyboard app, and then tap on install. Now when you will tap on install, it will start downloading the Gboard app. So after downloading, follow the instructions in the app to use the Gboard. So that's how you can install the Gboard app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.